You will need a star bit and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by unplugging the chiller. Remove the chiller top screws on the front. Remove the 2 screws at the front bottom. Remove the 4 screws on the front left side. Remove the 4 screws on the front right side. Gently wiggle the front panel until it can be removed. There will be a black box that contains the fuses immediately behind the front panel. You will need a Phillips head to loosen the screws. They do not come out all the way. Pull the front of the black box free. There are a total of 4 fuses, 1 on the left and 3 to the right. The bottom right fuse is the one that is likely blown and in need of replacement. Remove the fuse and inspect it for replacement. You will want to see a brown or black stain, and the fuse will be burnt. If the bottom right fuse appears fine, check the other fuses one by one. Replace the blown fuse. Replace the black box. Do not over-tighten the screws, only tighten until it feels snug. Replace the chiller front end screws.